was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Unit No. 03. Geography of Pakistan.
Topic 01.
Physiography. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, valleys, and coastal areas.
Lecture No. 08.
Lubna Mehboob. Librarian, MLISC. Government Girls Degree College KTS, Haripur. Geography of Pakistan. Physiography. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, valleys, and coastal areas. Subject, Pakistan Studies. BS Zoology. First semester. Dated, October 23, 2025. Contents, 1. Physiography. 2. Mountains. 3. Plains. 4. Plateaus. 5. Deserts. 6. Valleys. 7. Coastal areas. Unit number 03. Geography of Pakistan. Physiography. Mountains, plains, plateaus, deserts, valleys, and coastal areas. 1. Physiography. 1. Physiography. 1. Physiogeography means the study of natural parts of the earth, like mountains, rivers, forests, weather, and land. It helps us understand how nature shapes the land and how things like rain, wind, and earthquakes change the Earth's surface. 2. Physiogeography is the study of nature and how it changes the land. 2. Mountain regions. Mountains in Pakistan are generally divided into western and eastern mountain ranges based on their location and geological features. Mountains in Pakistan are generally divided into western and eastern mountain ranges based on their location and geological features. 1. Eastern mountains. These are part of the Himalayan system and located in the northern and northeastern regions of Pakistan. Mountain regions.
1. Divers terrains.
Includes the Karakoram, Himalayan, and Hindu Kush mountain ranges. 2. Highest peaks. Home to K2, the second highest mountain in the world. 3. Glacial landscapes. Extensive glaciers and snow-capped peaks shape the northern landscape. One. Major Eastern Mountain Ranges. 1. Major Eastern Mountain Ranges. 1. Himalayas.
Location Azad Jammu et Cachemire, Nord-Eastern Pakistan.
Famous peak, Nanga Parbat, 8,126 m. 2. Karakoram Range. Location, Gilgit-Baltistan. Famous peak, K2, 8,611 m. 3. Hindu Kush, sometimes included in central northern ranges. Location, Chitral, northern KP. Famous peak, Tirik Mir, 7,708 m. These mountains are young, high, and snow-covered. 2. Western mountains. These ranges are located in western and southwestern Pakistan and are older and lower compared to eastern ranges. 2. Major Western Mountain Ranges. 2. Major Western Mountain Ranges. 1. Sulayman Range. Location, Baluchistan, Western KP. Peak, Takhti Sulayman, 3,487 m. 2. Kurthar Range. Location, border of Sindh and Baluchistan. Lower elevation, mostly barren. 3. Toba Kakar Range. Location, along the Pak-Afghan border in Baluchistan. These mountains are dry, rocky, and less elevated than the eastern ones. 3. Plains.
1. Vast alluvial floodplains.
Formed by the Indus River and its tributaries. 2. Fertile agricultural regions. Support Pakistan's thriving agricultural economy. 3. Arid deserts. Occupy the southern and western parts of the country. 3. Plain. 1. A plain is a broad area of flat or gently sloping land that is usually fertile and suitable for farming and settlement. 2. Plains in Pakistan are mostly formed by the Indus River and its tributaries, creating one of the largest and most fertile plains in South Asia. These plains support agriculture, population centers, and economic activities. 3. Example. The Indus Plain, spread across Punjab and Sindh, is the most important plain in Pakistan. It provides the major share of Pakistan's food production and is home to many of the country's largest cities. 4. Plateaus.
1. Divers terrains.
Includes the Balochistan Plateau and Pothar Plateau. 2. Elevated landforms. Characterized by high altitude, flat-topped landscapes. 3. Varied elevations. Ranging from 300 to over 3,000 meters above sea level. 4. Plateaus. A plateau is an area of land that is flat or gently rolling but elevated higher than the surrounding land. It usually has steep sides and a relatively level surface on top. 1. Balochistan Plateau. 1. Largest plateau in Pakistan. 2. Located in Baluchistan province. 3. Dry, rocky, and mountainous. 4. Few people live here because it is mostly desert-like. 2. Pothar Plateau. 1. Located in northern Punjab. 2. Slightly high and uneven land. 3. Fertile soil, good for farming. 4. Many people live here and grow crops. 5. Deserts. Definition. A desert is a dry area of land that receives very little rainfall, less than 250 millimeters per year. It usually has sandy or rocky soil and very little vegetation. 5. Deserts. Major deserts. 1. Thar Desert. Largest desert in Pakistan, spanning across Sindh and Balochistan. 2. Khalistan Desert. Arid region located in Punjab, near the Indian border. 3. Makran Desert. Coastal desert in Balochistan, known for its rugged terrain. 1. Thar Desert. 1. Location, southeastern Sindh and extends into India. 2. Features, sandy soil, hot climate, sparse vegetation. 3. Importance. 1. That supports unique wildlife and plants. 2. Home to desert communities with traditional culture. 3. That has potential for solar energy projects. 4. Tourism, desert festivals and wildlife safaris. 2. Khalistan Desert. 1. Location, southern Punjab, near Bahawalpur. 2. Features, sandy terrain, very dry, with some seasonal lakes. 3. Importance. 1. Supports nomadic tribes and livestock farming. 2. Famous for the historic Darawar Fort. 3. Important for camel breeding and desert culture. 3. Karen Desert. 1. Location, western Balochistan. 2. Features, rocky and sandy areas, very dry. 3. Importance. 1. Used by Pakistan's military for testing and training. 2. Contains mineral resources. Characteristics of deserts. 1. Arid climate. Low precipitation and high temperatures. 2. Sparse vegetation. Adapted to the harsh environment. 3. Unique wildlife. Camels, lizards, and desert foxes. Zero 6 Valleys. Definition of valley. A valley is a low area of land between hills or mountains, often with a river flowing through it. Valleys are usually fertile and good for farming. 6 Valleys. Major valleys. 1. Karakoram Range. Renowned for stunning mountain landscapes. 2. Gilgit-Baltistan. Home to the world's highest peaks. 3. Hunza Valley. Picturesque orchards and ancient fortresses. 1. Swat Valley. 1. Location, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, KP. 2. Importance. 1. Known as the Switzerland of the East because of its natural beauty. 2. Famous for tourism, forests, and rivers. 3. Rich in history and culture. 2. Hunza Valley. 1. Location, Gilgit-Baltistan. 2. Importance. 1. Beautiful mountainous valley with fruit orchards. 2. Popular tourist destination. 3. Known for its peaceful environment and hospitable people. 3. Neelam Valley. 1. Location, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, AJK. 2. Importance. 1. Scenic valley with rivers and forests. 2. Popular for hiking, fishing, and tourism. 3. Important for hydropower projects. 4. Kagan Valley. 1. Location, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. 2. Importance. 1. Famous for lakes and mountains, e.g., Lake Saiful-Muluk. 2. Tourist hotspot for hiking and nature lovers. Importance of valleys. 1. Sustain biodiversity. Valleys provide habitats for diverse flora and fauna.
2. Facilitate agriculture.
Valleys offer fertile land and water resources for farming. 3. Support local economies. Valleys enable trade and tourism opportunities for communities. 07. Coastal areas. 07. Coastal areas. 1. Definition. Coastal areas are regions where the land meets the sea. These areas include beaches, cliffs, bays, and estuaries. Coastal areas are important for fishing, trade, tourism, and sometimes farming. Two. Coastline. 1. Extensive coastline. Pakistan has an extensive coastline along the Arabian Sea, spanning over 1,000 kilometers. 2. Diverse ecosystems. The coastal regions of Pakistan feature diverse ecosystems, including mangrove forests, sandy beaches, and rocky cliffs. 3. Fishing industry. The coastal areas are a hub for Pakistan's thriving fishing industry, providing livelihood for many communities. 4. Coastal areas of Pakistan. Pakistan's coastline is about 1,050 kilometers, 650 miles long. It lies along the Arabian Sea in the provinces of Sindh and Balochistan. 3. Coastal features.
1. Diverse coastline.
Includes sandy beaches, rocky cliffs, and mangrove forests. 2. Major ports. Karachi, Gwadar, and Bin Qasim are key maritime hubs. 3. Coastal ecosystems. Rich in marine biodiversity, including coral reefs and migratory birds. 4. Coastal ecosystems.
1. Diverse habitats.
Mangrove forests, sandy beaches, and coral reefs along the coastline. 2. Rich biodiversity. Home to a variety of marine species, including sea turtles and migratory birds. 3. Vulnerable environments. Coastal areas face threats from development, pollution, and climate change. 5. Important coastal areas in Pakistan. 1. Karachi coastline, Sindh. 1. Pakistan's largest city and main port. 2. Important for trade, shipping, and industry. 3. Popular beaches like Clifton and Hawke's Bay. 2. Gwadar coastline, Balochistan. 1. Emerging port city with strategic importance. 2. Part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC. 3. Potential for economic growth and fisheries. 3. Ormara and Pasni, Balochistan. 1. Smaller coastal towns. 2. Important for fishing communities. 6. Importance of coastal areas in Pakistan. 1. Support fishing industry and provide livelihood to many people. 2. Host ports crucial for trade and economy. 3. Promote tourism with beaches and marine life. 4. Help in marine biodiversity and ecosystem balance. Thank you. Lubna Mehboob, librarian, MLISC. Government Girls Degree College, KTES, Haripur.
just once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night.